right, we're here with our realtor friend Mark, and we worked with him a while back. Mark, could you tell us a little bit about what you were doing as far as marketing, when you started in the business, and
Sure.
how we helped you out?
Well, I just started real estate end of last year, so December. Took about a month and a half learning curve. I've done sales in the past. Real estate is a whole different ball game. So I actually started writing business, friends and family, whatnot, in January, and then I got in contact with Aaron and Nelson, and they said, "Hey, let's try doing some marketing for you." And I was like, "All right, well, it's my second month in real estate. Let me give it a shot. I need to get the ball rolling." So I started marketing with Speedy Marketing, and they came through. They got me 15 leads in I think 2 weeks, and I actually just closed on one of the leads last week. It was a pretty good payout for the money that I put down.
Awesome.
And so I'll be doing that a lot more. So
Can you tell us a little bit, how much was the house that you ended up?
Yeah, so we actually shopped for homes for about 2 weeks. Found him a really nice, fully renovated house it was $255,000 in Port St. Lucie here, and it took 30 days to close, and it's their first house in America that they bought. So they actually moved here from Cuba.
Cool.
So they're stoked to be homeowners, and I guess they love my service. They gave me a big hug, and now we're friends. Now I've actually ate at their house, and we've gone out to eat. So actually, from the lead, we became good friends, and now.
All right, yeah, you closed them.
Yeah.
Well, it's the personality. I mean, you have a great personality. So, like, as a realtor, I know you guys have to shop for leads with like Zillow and stuff.
Right.
Do you know how? Like, have you ever purchased leads? Or do you know people who purchase leads?
The more that realtors are shelling out money left and right for leads, qualified leads, good leads, and I personally haven't used Zillow, but I've heard a lot of stories where they're spending hundreds upon hundreds of dollars for Zillow leads, and a lot of them aren't like super qualified. People just clicking and whatnot. And out of 15 leads that I got with you guys, 2 are obviously one is highly qualified. The other I'm actually working on getting pre-qualified right now. So out of 15 leads for under $200, I mean it wasn't even under $150. And then your services, that's pretty darn good. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, you guys heard it. If you're a realtor looking for services, Speedy Marketer's there.